Is your hunger missing the soul in your orders that vary from classic pizza to Chinese dishes? Is it missing the spirit of spices in the North Indian dinner platter and the Kerala feast you ordered? Then Soul Kitchen Co. in Irinjalakuda could serve the answer fresh and hot. Soul Kitchen Co. is a classy restaurant near Christ College Junction, started by two friends from the medical field that offers a soothing ambience and some mouth-watering delicacies.
This has been a long-time dream come true for both of us. So we both studied together in school.
Yeah, known each other from our schooling days, and at that point of time we never knew we would be ending up handling a restaurant. I'm a physician and Dr. Abraham is a dentist.
I used to be a dentist, not anymore because I am here all the time.
Many times we go to restaurants, we had our personal opinion if the food had been so and so, or this kind of particular kind of food would have been there, or even the ambience, sitting, all those things matters actually a lot. Over a period of time, I came to know that he has a passion in making certain kind of food. So probably we thought we might combine together and form something what we like, something what we believe.
We don't have spaces like this in Irinjalakuda or anywhere around. So if we wanted to go out to eat, Kochi is the closest place where there's a decent place to go out and sit and eat. So the idea kind of budded from there. And if you had asked us 10 years back if we'd ever open a restaurant in Irinjalakuda, no, we'd say no. But today, so this is not just about Irinjalakuda. So there are a lot of neighboring towns in and around Irinjalakuda as well. So that's where we get a lot of our clients from. And over the weekend, we do get in people from Thrissur as well.
The entire campus is made in such a way that it feels modern with an authentic touch to it. The place was given ample natural lighting, making it appear warm and inviting. During day hours, the ceiling-high glass walls let plenty of sunlight in so that the place doesn't have to rely on even a single artificial light source. Soul Kitchen also offers an exquisite outdoor dining experience. The place has an outdoor garden restaurant next to their pizzeria. Freshly baked authentic Italian pizzas are the USP of this eatery.
So the pizzas we do here at Soul Kitchen are Neapolitan style pizzas, basically originated from Naples. It's slightly different from the regular pizzas which we get around here in Kerala. You do get these pizzas in other cities like Bangalore and all, but it's not as common in Kerala yet. So there are quite a few differences on the pizza when considered with the regular pizza. One is that it's baked at a much higher temperature than the regular pizza ovens, and if usually a pizza is baked usually anywhere from 5 minutes to 7 minutes, but here we bake it for only about 90 seconds. The reason being that it's baked at a much higher temperature. It's about 400 degrees centigrade. So the cheese we use for these Neapolitan style pizzas are fresh buffalo mozzarella. These are imported from, we get them down from Bangalore every week, and these are fresh cheese flown in every week. And the flour used is not your regular maida. These are specialty flours blended for this particular style of pizza, and then we bring it down from Delhi every week, freshly ground. Let me introduce you to Chef Rashid.
Hi.
He's our consultant chef. He's been the backbone of everything here. And this is Chef Saji. He's our executive chef. He runs our kitchen. So everything at the back end is dealt by him. And Manoj is our restaurant manager. you wouldn't miss this smiling face every time you walk in.
Today we are showcasing some of popular dishes and favorites. You can call it as a signature dish. So those dishes we are presenting it, showcasing it today. From our Chinese selections, we have sliced fish Singapore chili. It is a little spicier, hotter fish preparation. It is crispy fried and tossed with a lot of chili and garlic sauce. Then we have another one is kung pao chicken. Again, it's a chicken diced with garlic flavored soya sauce with a lot of peanuts in it. These are all the traditional Chinese preparations. Murg malai kebab. It's a very tender chicken marinated with a lot of cream and cheese and yogurt. It is cooked on tandoor. Then we are doing some parathas, lecha parathas, flaky parathas, wheat parathas there. Then dal makhani. So dal makhani also is a typical Punjabi dal. It is cooked, slow cooked overnight, and it is been finished with butter and cream. For the dessert, we are presenting a dish with a typical Kerala dessert with a twist. It is parippu pradhaman, hot parippu pradhaman with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. It has been a hit ever since we introduced this in our restaurant, and that is one of the most sought after dessert here.